learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
There are many Hakka temples in Dongshi, Taichung, that are dedicated to Tutigong, the god of the earth. One of these temples, located in the Zhongge area, is unique. Loads of people bring their rowdy or sick children to the temple to ask the Tutigong to be their godparent and help watch over them. Most gods are male, including Tutigong. However, Zhongge's is female, which is by far the temple's most unique feature. Annually, during the 8th month of the lunar calendar, residents bring their children to the temple and pray for peace in the coming year and are given protective amulets.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we are taking you to places around Taichung, because Taichung is so convenient and there's Hakka culture there. 我们这整个月是不是要带大家到台中玩？而且客家文化很浓厚的地方叫做
东市董师，
董师，不是董司，
是董司哈，差一点点。
台中东市嘛，哈 ，There's a lot of abundant Hakka culture here. 到底我们去台中东市哪里呢？
台中东市哈有一个地方叫做沙蚵祠，大家应该没去过。
沙蚵祠，的确我是没去过，连沙蚵祠是什么我还不是很清楚。
沙蚵哈，沙就是石头的石，蚵哈就是母亲的母。
哦，蚵是母哦 ，OK，
对，
石母祠哦。
对，其实它就是一个伯公庙的其中一种。
Okay, so literally, this temple is named the godmother of Stone Temple, but it's really there to worship the god of the land, 也就是土地公。那为什么会变成是有这个女性化在里面呢？
其实一般来说，土地公哈都是男性的一个象征嘛哈。但是这边呢，就是把这个沙蚵祠哈，把它变成是一个有母亲的形象。所以呢，这边啊，它通常有些小朋友啊，如果比较不好养啊，晚上会哭闹啊，就可以带小朋友来石母祠这边来拜拜。
That's very cool, actually. A lot of families around this area, if they have difficulties raising their kids, they would bring their kids over to this temple and ask the gods to take care and to bless the kids, basically.
很多小朋友来到这边哈，人家就会把它带签，
就是签吗？还是符？
不是，它就是平安符。
Awesome. So when they take the kids there for some blessings, you also try to get an amulet from the temple, and that's for protection in the future and to make sure the kid will be raised up, great. Alright, 有空呢就来台中东市的石母祠喽。
沙蚵祠。
Okay, that is the name of the temple. That does it for today to talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
安子say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.